iOS 18 is supercharging the iPhone 16 Pro. Epic battery life, slick camera control. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into Apple's latest upgrades. Posts on X are buzzing about the iPhone 16 Pro's insane battery and smarter camera control with iOS 18. Wanna know why it's a game changer? Stick around. The iPhone 16 Pro's battery is stealing the show thanks to iOS 18's power tweaks. With a 4,685 mAh cell, the biggest ever in an iPhone, it's outlasting rivals. Sources report a 63% battery left after tests, beating the Pixel 9 and Galaxy S24. Users on X rave about iOS 18.0.1 sipping power, with some hitting 2 days on a single charge. iOS 18's optimized power management and A18 Pro chip make heavy tasks like gaming and 4K video editing feel effortless. The camera control button got a major glow up with iOS 18 updates. iOS 18.2 lets you launch the camera app with one press, even with the screen off, fixing early gripes about double presses. iOS 18.3 adds visual intelligence, long press to identify plants, animals, or add events from posters to your calendar. Apple support notes you can swipe to tweak zoom or exposure, and it's glove-friendly for winner shots. X users love the clean preview mode for distraction-free framing. These updates keep the iPhone 16 Pro in the spotlight. The 48MP ultra-wide camera, 4K 120 frame per second video, and AI-powered cleanup tool make it a creator's dream. While some expos call camera control finicky for light presses, iOS 18.4 lets you adjust sensitivity for smoother use. Compared to the Galaxy S25's AI zoom, Apple's visual intelligence feels more practical for everyday tasks. This mix of hardware and software is why Apple's flagship stays unmatched. If you've got an iPhone 16 Pro, iOS 18's updates make it feel like a new phone. Older iPhone users might find the battery and camera control tempting enough to upgrade. Are you loving these changes or still on the fence? Drop your thoughts in the comments. How's iOS 18 treating your iPhone? And that's how iOS 18 powers up the iPhone 16 Pro. If you're excited for these upgrades, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.